What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today I have a very special episode out there for all you single people on Valentine's Day. We are going to let you get a little bit of frustration out on the No Date today. We have got candy Valentine hearts. We're gonna see if these guys can shatter a Galaxy Note infinity display with a slingshot. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. Do you think the candy hearts will have what it takes to shatter this No Date display? Post your opinion in the top right. All right, we got some safety goggles, we got a slingshot. The only person we're missing right now is a single person. We're waiting on Darren to get here. Darrino is here.
What's up? How's it going, guys?
You ready to break some hearts?
Yes, Brandon. Let's go break some hearts.
Yes. Whew. Dude, you unwrap that, all right? This is my gift to you.
Oh, look at that. Mm-hmm. There we go.
Oh yeah.
This is
a sexy stripping if I ever saw one. Anyway,
see what I have to deal with in life. This is crazy.
So, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna shatter the screen?
I am pretty sure right into.
Don't.
Yeah, no. That would suck.
I have rubber banded him before, but this would be a whole nother level of rubber banding. Oh my god.
That would be painful.
Dude,
I wouldn't talk to you for a while.
Slow-mo shot. Skin versus slingshot.
Oh god. If it could get enough views, I might do it, but I don't think it would.
Dude, you imagine the ripple? It would be like a lake. Sweet. All right, so we're gonna tape this up and get everything set up, and yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Be Mine, First Kiss, Love Bug, Ooh La La, Cutie Pie, and True Love. Isn't that what's...
Nuts for you. Nuts for you. That's what we got right here. Be Mine, Good Times, My Love, Bestie, Wink Wink. Alright, so which between I Love You and Love Wins? Love wins. Front glasses on top of glasses. Gotta have extra protection for the protection.
Gotta have extra protection for the protection. Oh god.
I know.
That's such a...
Top of the head, weird.
Ready, go. Woo.
Bigger.
Okay, here comes that candy heart. And this is at 18,000 frames per second. Whoa!
I missed that so bad.
You can see it actually start coming apart before it even hits the phone. But when it hits like that, it just completely just pulverizes itself. I love that we can shoot at this high of a speed.
What's cool here is I like the reflection. You can see all of like the particles reflecting off of the bottom here. I'll get it next time. I'll make it work.
Well, we've got a lot of extra hearts to break, so you might call him a heart breaker. Oh my god, I think you got it. It's so hard to tell if it's destroyed or not. Okay, let's take a look at the slow-mo first. Even right now, I can't tell if it's actually broken. Here it comes. Now that's that
was a straight face hit right there.
Fully broken heart just coming apart right there. Wow, the explosion is awesome.
The spread was great on that for sure.
Yeah, the wide angle really shows the explosion of the impact of candiness going out. The sugar fluff exploding.
That was beautiful.
Okay, there it is. Check it out. Now, is it shattered or is that all just dust? Oh, looks like it's okay, actually. What? There is damage! It didn't break the glass, but the OLED pixels are busted right where the heart impacted. See if we can cause even more damage. Oh, we're doing I Love You next. Let's see if this sweetheart loves No Date. Do whatever. Jeez. Got it. Here comes the heart. Ka-da-ba-doom. Seriously, slow motion stuff looks like planets explode.
It does.
This heart just...
Oh man, that looks beautiful though.
One supernova.
Yup.
It was a good shot, sir. No shattered glass. Pixel damage from the first hit. Pixel damage from that hit. And I'm gonna go ahead and break a heart. See what happens. I'm gonna do a three-way with two hearts at once. All right, 3, 2, 1. Holy crap!
That did its damage.
Holy crap! Okay, well, two at once worked quite well. Let's take a look at the slow-mo. I think part of the reason why it exploded and did more damage is because I was just closer.
You were a lot closer. The sling hit the phone too.
Really?
Watch, look. So they impact. Oh man, they both explode. and then it taps it. It definitely bounces off the phone.
That's hilarious. We left a crater in the glass with the candy. Holy crap. Let's take a look at the other Phantom angle. Oh yeah, you can see the sling coming in. Kababadoosh!
Damn, dude.
It went point first with the heart straight into the screen. That is the most damage we've done to a screen using the slingshot. And we did it with freaking candied hearts. So I'm feeling a little bit bad because I broke the screen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let him have free reign. Darren deserves this.
I don't think we did love any favors today.
Jeez, look at this Note 8. It is demolished.
Yeah, like halfway through it, like the lower half of the screen just went straight seizure mode.
Well, I would say this was the most successful slingshot destruction of our experimental material so far.
I'd say so. This is definitely a lot of damage.
I am surprised that the candy destroyed it as much as it did. If you want to check out how the Skittles fared against the iPhone X display in the exact same test, link down below, as well as a gold fleck doing the same test. A little tiny 1/20th of an ounce of gold. And in case you didn't know, I make all kinds of tech videos over on GizmoSlip Tech. I recently made a video about why I'm disappointed and also about why I'm super excited about the Galaxy S9. Feel free to check it out down below. And of course, go check out Darren's channel, BeyondSlowMotion. Link to that in the description as well. We'll see you next time. Brandon and Darren out.
Peace.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.